For those of you who are very interested about the elimination method, let's have an example. In the elimination method, we plan to remove these x's and then to remove this y from here. And the equation will be in a triangle form, and we will know what z is. We can substitute it here. Then we know what y is. We can substitute both y and z to the first equation, and in that way we get what x is. The point in the elimination method is that you don't get confused, and the method works in a straightforward way, so it is easy to program on computer. Let's name the equations. Maybe we call them rows. So the first row corresponds to the first equation. Now, with some trick, we would want to eliminate the x in the second equation. We should find some formula related to the rows which eliminates the 2x from there. Well, we could use the formula that if we take the second row and we add there -2 times the first row, this formula would produce a new equation where there is no x. So let's use this formula. We have 2x minus 2x, so we will get 0x. We have y minus 4y, we get minus 3y. We have 2z, and if we multiply this with -2, we get plus 6z. In total we have 8z. Then we should still take the last thing in the row, that is the constant, and we should take this constant 2 and subtract from there -2 times 7. -2 times 7 is -14. 2 minus 14 is -12. Next we should find some formula that in the last equation we can remove the x's. A suitable formula seems to be row 3 minus 3 times row 1. Well, first, to get this, let's use the formula. So from the third row we take 3x and we subtract -3 times x. Okay, 3x plus -3x gives 0x's. Then we have, in the place of y, we have -y, and we multiply the first row by -3, we get -6y. -y minus 6y gives -7y. Then in the position of z, we have one z here, and we should take the first row and multiply it with -3. We get plus 9z. Z plus 9z is plus 10z. Then we have 1 minus 21, which gives -20. Now we have obtained these modified rows 2 and 3. Maybe we can denote the modification by using a prime there. The next task in the elimination would be to eliminate this y by using these two modified rows. So we should find some formula that we could make this y to disappear. A suitable formula might be, for example, we can take the modified row 3 and we can subtract from there or add there the modified row 2, which is multiplied by 7/3, and actually minus 7/3. So we could use this formula and we would find some equation here, which would be of the form some constant times z is equal to some constant, and then it would be straightforward to solve z, substitute the value of z there, and then we would know both y and z, and we could substitute the values of y and z to the first equation, and we would be done. Well, we see that the calculations get a little bit difficult. Multiplying these numbers in the second equation with this kind of number, it's not very easy. This is how elimination works.